tropical garden. A tropical garden features plants that thrive in warm, humid climates, such as palms, ferns, and brightly colored flowers. It is often designed to feel lush and dense, creating a sense of escape. This style is influenced by regions near the equator where vegetation grows year-round. It stands out for its bold textures and vibrant colors, and it matters because it brings an exotic, relaxing feel to a space. Kitchen garden. A kitchen garden is a small, practical space focused on growing food for daily use. It usually sits close to the house, making it easy to step outside and harvest fresh herbs, vegetables, or fruits. This type of garden has been common for centuries, especially in rural homes where people relied on what they could grow themselves. The layout is often simple and efficient, designed for convenience rather than decoration, and it matters because it provides fresh, affordable food. Flower garden. A flower garden is created mainly for beauty and visual enjoyment. It features a mix of blooming plants arranged by color, season, or height to create a pleasing display. These gardens have roots in ancient cultures where flowers were used in ceremonies and to decorate important spaces. What makes them different is their focus on aesthetics rather than food, and they matter because they can improve mood, attract pollinators, and enhance the look of any space. Vegetable garden. A vegetable garden is dedicated entirely to growing edible plants like tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. It can range from a small backyard plot to a large cultivated area. This type of garden has always been tied to self-sufficiency and food security, especially during times like wartime victory gardens. Its purpose is clear and practical, and it matters because it allows people to control how their food is grown while reducing grocery costs. Herb garden. An herb garden focuses on growing plants used for flavoring, medicine, or fragrance. Common herbs include basil, mint, and rosemary, often planted close together in small spaces or containers. Historically, herb gardens were essential in households for both cooking and natural remedies. What sets them apart is their compact size and strong scents, and they matter because they add fresh flavor to meals and can be used for simple home remedies. Raised bed garden. A raised bed garden uses soil that is lifted above ground level, usually contained within a wooden or metal frame. This method became popular as a way to improve soil quality and drainage, especially in areas with poor natural soil. It allows for better control over growing conditions and is easier on the body when planting or harvesting. It matters because it increases efficiency and often leads to healthier plants. Container garden. A container garden grows plants in pots, buckets, or other movable containers instead of directly in the ground. This type is ideal for people with limited space, such as apartment balconies or patios. It has become more common in urban areas where traditional gardening space is not available. What makes it unique is its flexibility, and it matters because it allows almost anyone to grow plants regardless of location. Vertical garden. A vertical garden grows plants upward instead of outward using walls, trellises, or stacked systems. This approach has gained popularity in cities where space is limited. It often uses climbing plants or specially designed structures to maximize growing area. It stands out for its space-saving design, and it matters because it makes gardening possible in tight environments while also creating a striking visual effect. Wildlife garden. A wildlife garden is designed to attract and support animals such as birds, bees, and butterflies. It includes native plants, water sources, and shelter areas to create a natural habitat. This type of garden has become more important as natural habitats decline. It differs from others by focusing on ecosystems rather than human use, and it matters because it helps maintain biodiversity and supports pollinators. Formal garden. A formal garden follows a structured layout with clear lines, symmetry, and carefully planned designs. These gardens often include trimmed hedges, straight pathways, and geometric patterns. They have historical roots in places like European estates and palaces. What makes them distinct is their order and precision, and they matter because they reflect design discipline and create a sense of balance and control. Informal garden. An informal garden takes a more natural and relaxed approach, with curved paths and loosely arranged plants. It often mimics how plants grow in nature rather than following strict patterns. This style became popular as a contrast to rigid formal gardens. It stands out for its freedom and softness, and it matters because it creates a calm, natural atmosphere that feels less controlled. Japanese garden. A Japanese garden is inspired by traditional Japanese design principles, focusing on balance, simplicity, and harmony with nature. It often includes elements like rocks, water, sand, and carefully placed plants. These gardens have deep cultural and spiritual meaning, often representing landscapes in miniature form. What makes them unique is their symbolism and attention to detail, and they matter because they encourage reflection and peace. Desert garden. A desert garden uses drought-tolerant plants like cacti and succulents that require very little water. It is designed to thrive in dry conditions and often uses gravel or sand instead of traditional soil beds. This type of garden reflects environments where water is scarce. What makes it different is its low maintenance and water efficiency, and it matters because it supports sustainable gardening in dry climates. Community garden. A community garden is a shared space where multiple people grow plants together. It is often found in urban areas and managed by local groups or neighborhoods. This type of garden became popular as a way to bring people together and provide fresh food access. It stands out for its social aspect, and it matters because it builds connections while promoting healthy living. Botanical garden. A botanical garden is a large, organized space dedicated to the collection, study, and display of plants from around the world. These gardens are often connected to research institutions and focus on education and conservation. They have a long history of preserving rare species and teaching the public about plant life. What makes them unique is their scale and purpose, and they matter because they protect plant diversity and provide valuable knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.